Last class we discussed about the homogeneous equation represent two straight lines passing through origin. Now the general second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This equation represents pair of straight lines. This equation represents a pair of straight lines under the condition delta is equals to 0. What is delta? Delta is nothing but ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square must be equal to 0. Under the condition delta is equal to 0, this equation represents two straight lines. At the same time, h square greater than or equals to AB, g square greater than or equals to AC, f square greater than or equals to BC. ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The general second degree equation under different condition it represents different curves. In one case it represents straight lines. In other case it represents a circle. It represents a parabola also. It represents an ellipse also. It represents hyperbola also. Those we are going to discuss in the conic section, right? So general second degree equation represent a pair of straight line, two straight lines under this condition. Delta is equal to 0, that is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. So to remember this one, we can use this particular one. This determinant is equals to 0. We can remember this one in such a way: all hostel girls with their hostel boyfriends gone for cinema. So we can remember like this: all hostel girls, hostel boyfriends gone for cinema. So we can remember in this way. So this particular one, ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0 is nothing but this determinant value. So write this general second degree equation under this condition represent a pair of straight lines. But these are the two straight lines. Those two straight lines are intersecting at this particular point. What about that particular point? That particular point is given by h of minus bg divided by ab minus h square, comma gh minus af divided by ab minus h square. So this we can do it in easily. Shift origin to a point alpha comma beta to remove the first degree terms in the equation. If to remove the first degree equation, to remove the first degree terms, shift origin to alpha comma beta. So then definitely that alpha beta values you will get this one only. The same we can do it in another way also. Differentiate this one. Differentiate this one by treating y as a constant. Differentiate this one by treating y as a constant. Ax square differentiation is 2ax because we are taking y as a constant, 2hy, x differentiation is 1 plus by square constant differentiation 0, 2gx differentiation is 2g. Next it is a constant differentiation 0, it is a constant differentiation 0. This is one equation, right? Now again differentiate this one by treating x as a constant. X a constant, its differentiation becomes 0. We are treating x as a constant, 2h into x, y differentiation is 1, y square differentiation is 2by, y square differentiation 2y, that's why 2by, it's a constant differentiation 0, it's a constant differentiation 0, 2fy differentiation is 2f. This is called partial differentiation, which is not in the syllabus, required just for a technique purpose. Once we are doing the differentiation by taking y as a constant, Next we are doing the differentiation by taking x as a constant. This is the second equation and this is the first equation we got. Solve these two equations. These two equations, point of intersection, you will get this one, right? That is the way of finding the point of intersection between these two straight lines. Sorry, for the point of intersection of those two straight lines. Now my question is, you know about this one. Now what happens? The same point is shifted to this side. That's why whatever the angle here, angle between these two lines and angle between these two lines is same. So the same angle. What is the formula for finding angle between pair of straight lines? The angle between pair of straight lines is given by tan theta is equals to 2 into square root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. So that is the formula for finding angle between pair of straight lines. Earlier we discussed passing through origin. The same formula now also for finding the angle between two straight lines. But this equation in some cases represents a pair of parallel lines. Pair of parallel lines. So it represents a pair of parallel lines under the condition h square is equal to ab and af square is equal to bg square. Okay, when it represents a pair of parallel lines, how to find out the distance between those two parallel lines? The distance between those two parallel lines is given by 2 into square root of g square minus ac divided by a into a plus b, or 2 into square root of f square minus bc divided by b into a plus b. That is the formula for finding, anyone you can use. That is the formula for finding the distance between pair of parallel lines. Whenever this equation represents two straight lines, those two straight lines are parallel lines. The distance between these two parallel lines is given by 2 into square root of g square minus ac divided by a into a plus b, 2 into square root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. Now the discussion is confined to very important idea, that is the process of homogenization. What is the process of homogenization? As I discussed with you people, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 represent circle in one case, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, different curves under different conditions. Let us say here this is one curve. This equation represents a curve like this one curve, right? And also we have the information is given as line equation given lx plus my is equals to 1. The curve and the line are intersecting. This is the intersection point. Lx plus my is equals to 1. Now this point of intersection, these two point of intersection join with origin. Join with origin. What happens? We are getting two straight lines. These two straight lines are passing through origin. But whenever the two straight lines are passing through origin means these two line combined equation must be in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. These two lines combined equation must be in the form. That means the general second degree non-homogeneous equation, with the help of this given line, we are converting into a homogeneous equation. That process is called homogenization. Once again, the general second degree non-homogeneous equation, with the help of this line, that means those two are intersecting, those intersection points we are joining with origin, we are getting these two straight lines. But these two straight lines always must be in this form. That's why the general second degree homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous equation, with the help of this line, we are converting into a homogeneous equation. That process is called homogenization. So how to convert non-homogeneous equation into a homogeneous equation with the help of this particular line? That process we are going to discuss. Observe here. So ax square plus 2hexy plus by square. Next, first degree terms 2gx plus 2fy. First degree terms multiply with 1. Next, the constant term multiply with 1 square. What we are doing? First degree terms we are multiplying with 1. Constant we are multiplying with 1 square. Now, in place of 1, substitute this one. Then we will get ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy into 1. 1 is nothing but lx plus my plus c into lx plus my whole square is equals to 0. Now this simplify. In this simplification, once you can observe, here also x square term, these are two multiplication also x square term, here expansion also you will get x square term, here y square term, these are two multiplication also you will get y square term, this expansion also y square term, here xy term, these are two multiply you will get xy term, these are two multiplication also we will get xy term, here 2ab term also xy term. That's why this total simplification must be in the form of ax square plus 2hexy plus by square is equal to 0. This represents a pair of straight lines passing through origin, right? So non-homogeneous equation, with the help of this line we convert it into a homogeneous equation which represent these two straight lines. Combined equation we got, right? So just one application based on this particular question I am doing. So the information is given as x square plus y square is equals to a square and lx plus my plus n is equals to 0. We can do it in another way also, because now I discussed the homogenization. That's why with the help of the homogenization I am doing. Now this is no doubt a non-homogeneous equation, x square y square constant term. So that's why this is the curve given, right? Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is a straight line. Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0 is a straight line, right? So both are intersecting at this point. Okay, join those two point of intersections with origin. Now what is saying in the curve? Question is the line and the point of intersection of these two curves subtends right angle at the center of the circle. Center of the circle is 0, 0. So at the center of the circle it is subtending 90 degrees. Then what is the condition? Okay, that means circle and the line are intersecting at this point. What is saying? This subtends 90 degrees at the origin. That means angle between these two straight lines is equal to 90 degrees. How to get the angle between these two straight lines? For finding the angle between two straight lines, we require to find these two lines. How to find these two lines? We have to do the homogenization. That's what I am doing. X square plus y square. Here there is no first degree terms, only constant term is there. That's why constant term multiply with 1 square. Constant we are multiplying with 1 square is equal to 0. Now what is 1? Observe here, Lx plus my by minus n is equals to 1. This is 1 here. Substitute that 1 here. X square plus y square minus a square into Lx plus my by minus n whole square is equal to 0. Now we can write further this one as x square plus y square minus a square into L square x square divided by m square y square divided by plus 2lm xy plus 2lm xy divided by n square. Whether you observed or not, this entire equation convert in the form of homogeneous equation. Now tell me what is x square coefficient here? Because he is saying that angle between these two straight lines is equal to 90 degrees. When angle between two straight lines is equal to 90 degrees, what is the condition? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0 we have to get. What is the coefficient of x square? 1 minus a square l square divided by n square, that is the coefficient of x square. Here x square coefficient is 1, here x square coefficient is minus a square l square by n square, plus coefficient of y square 1 minus a square m square divided by n square. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. From this you will get the condition 2 is equal to a square into l square plus m square divided by n square. That's what we can write. A square into l square plus m square is equals to 2n square. That is the condition, right? So another question here based on this homogenization. They have given the second degree curve equation as 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Intersect the straight line x plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. So they have given one curve equation, this curve equation, and the line also given. The line equation is x plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. What he is asking in the question is the line subtends how much angle at origin, that is asking. He is asking about this angle. So what to do? We have to find out these two lines. For finding these two lines, we have to do the homogenization. In a non-homogeneous equation given, with the help of this line, we have to convert into a homogeneous equation. How to convert this one into a homogeneous equation? 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square. First degree terms we have to multiply with 1. First degree terms we are multiplying with 1 minus 1, that is a constant we are multiplying with 1 square is equal to 0. First degree terms x power 1, y power 1, these are the first degree terms we have to multiply with 1. Constant we are multiplying with 1 square. But what is 1s are here? What is 1? X plus 2y is equal to minus 1. From this I can write x plus 2y divided by minus 1 is equals to 1. So substitute here, then we will get 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y into, in place of 1 we have to write x plus 2y divided by minus 1 minus 1 into, in place of 1 x plus 2y divided by minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Now you will get this equation in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 form. We can find out the angle between them as tan theta is equal to 2 into square root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. With the help of this we can find out the angle between those two straight lines. These are the few ideas regarding pair of straight lines. Okay, bye bye.